everyone, it's Michael from Allure Mobile Detailing. Today we're going to be doing one of our monthly maintenance clients. I'm going to try to take you through my process, show you the vehicle, and again the process we use to clean the car for this client. So thank you for tuning into this video, and we'll keep you posted with our progress. All right, so this is the maintenance client. They just came back from a trip. So it's a little dirty, but nothing crazy. I already folded the seat so I can get to the third row. So we're just gonna clean it up, refresh the mats, refresh and protect all the plastic and trim, and give the vehicle a good wash on the outside. This vehicle has already been ceramic coated on the interior, so all the leather and vinyl have been protected, so it makes it a lot easier to clean, not just for myself as a detailer, but even for the customer. When things happen kind of on the fly, it spills something, they spill something, it's easy to clean up. And then obviously it's going to protect the condition of the interior with that ceramic coating applied. I'm here in this Suburban. The little thing I like to share, wanted to share, is that when I am detailing a vehicle, what I like to do is I like to look at the vehicle from the perspective of the client, of you. So when I'm sitting in the car, when you're sitting in the car, I like to think about what are some of the things that you see, what do you notice when you're driving, and I try to make sure to hit those areas so that when you get in your car, you always feel like satisfied with the level of service that you've received. So I like to think about, let's see if I can flip this here, hopefully you can see it. I like to think about these bottom panels, what you see when you're sitting looking at the dash, your cup holders, even the area down here in between the seats. I like to clean this area too and get really down in there because those are the things that you're going to notice when you get in your car, and I want to make sure that that's one of the things that I try to do to make sure that my service, my detailing, is always a little bit different than everybody else. That's the level of service that I want to bring to my customers to make sure that I'm doing something that just sets me different from everyone else. Another thing that I do is with all of my interior details, I always leave some form of UV protection on every clean, even from my maintenance cleaning. I'm always leaving some type of protection behind. That's not something that I charge for. It's already included in my detail packages and in my service automatically. Showing the mats, a little bit of my food debris here in the mats. I wanted to share one thing that I love that I have with my setup. Do really appreciate some other detailers. Raw does detail on YouTube, Suds and Go, and Revive Auto Detailing is this remote. It's for outdoor use. Pretty much comes with 3 units that you can use. You plug in each unit into their own individual outlet. I have number 3 for my vacuum, and I literally hit number 3 and it turns my vacuum on. I can do what I have to do, and if I need to use another piece of equipment or I'm done, I don't have to run back to that piece of equipment or run back to my vacuum to turn it off. Just hit the off button and I'm good to go. wanted to show, let's see if I can show you one of the paint. This vehicle has been treated with a ceramic sealant. It has not been reapplied for the last 4 months. We're doing a pre-rinse with our rinseless wash. And I'm hoping you can see the hydrophobic properties and protection that comes with a ceramic sealant. Nice beads and nice heating. Of the water, even of the rinseless, with the ceramic sealant. While I didn't get an opportunity to record the full wash of the exterior, to give you my method, what I do is I do a pre-rinse with my rinseless wash, which I'm currently using Meguiars 37 and 914. Then with my rinseless sponge and a bucket of water and rinseless wash, 1 ounce of the rinseless per gallon of water, I clean a section at a time. Once that section is clean, I then spray with Vero's ceramic waterless wash on the area and wipe it dry. This method allows me to clean, protect, and shine the vehicle all at once. To use Veros on the glass, it is diluted 4:1 for a streak-free, protected clean. I continue my rinseless method to clean the wheels and tires, then dress the tires with Meguiars Endurance Gel tire coating. And as you can see from this video, the results came out amazing both on the inside and outside of this GMC Yukon SLT. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will please like it and subscribe to my channel. And tell me in the comments what you thought of this video and what are your methods for detailing your car. I hope to catch you guys in the next video, and remember, with Malord Mobile Detailing, no detail is too small.